Welcome to this tutorial on CloudWatch Logs, Amazon Web Services' centralized log management solution. In this video, we'll explore how to collect logs from various sources and analyze them effectively. This is part of our AWS monitoring series, where we dive deep into the tools and services that help you monitor and maintain your AWS infrastructure. CloudWatch Logs is a centralized service designed to monitor, store, and access log files from your AWS resources and applications. It brings together all your logs in one place, making management much simpler. The service offers 4 key capabilities. First, real-time monitoring and search allows you to view logs as they're generated. Second, durable log storage ensures your logs are safely retained. Third, you can query and analyze logs to extract meaningful insights. And fourth, automated alerting helps you respond to issues proactively. To work effectively with CloudWatch Logs, you need to understand 3 core concepts. First are log events, which are individual log entries containing a timestamp and message data. Think of these as single lines in a traditional log file. Next are log streams, which represent a sequence of log events from the same source, such as a specific application instance or server. Finally, log groups are collections of log streams that share the same retention policies, monitoring settings, and access permissions. This hierarchical structure helps you organize and manage logs efficiently. CloudWatch Logs supports multiple methods for collecting log data. The CloudWatch Agent is installed on EC2 instances and on-premises servers to collect and send logs automatically. AWS Service Integration provides automatic logging from services like Lambda, ECS, and RDS without any additional configuration. You can also use the SDK and CLI for programmatic log submission through AWS APIs, giving you complete control over what gets logged. Additionally, VPC flow logs enable network traffic monitoring and analysis, helping you understand data flow patterns in your virtual private cloud. Setting up the CloudWatch Agent involves 3 simple steps. First, install the agent on your server using the package manager. For Amazon Linux, you would use the yum install command with the Amazon CloudWatch Agent package. Second, configure the agent by running the config wizard, which guides you through specifying which logs to collect and where to send them. Third, start the agent using the Amazon CloudWatch Agent control command with the fetch config option, pointing to your configuration file. Once running, the agent automatically collects and sends logs to CloudWatch. CloudWatch Logs Insights is an interactive query and analysis service designed specifically for CloudWatch Logs. It uses a purpose-built query language that makes log analysis straightforward. The service offers fast queries across large volumes of log data, returning results in seconds. You can visualize results with charts to identify trends and patterns more easily. It supports filtering and aggregating logs based on any criteria you define. And because it follows a pay-per-query model, you only pay for the queries you actually run, making it cost-effective for occasional analysis. Let's look at 2 practical query examples. The first query finds error logs by using the field's command to select timestamp and message, then filters for messages containing the word error, and finally sorts results by timestamp in descending order to see the most recent errors first. The second query counts log entries by status code. It selects the timestamp and status fields, then uses the stats count function grouped by status. This gives you a breakdown of how many times each status code appears in your logs, which is useful for monitoring application health. Let's recap the key points from this tutorial. First, CloudWatch Logs provides centralized logging for all your AWS resources and applications, eliminating the need to manage multiple log repositories. Second, you have multiple collection methods available, including the CloudWatch Agent, SDKs, and native integrations with AWS services. Third, Logs Insights offers powerful querying and analysis capabilities with an intuitive query language. And fourth, you can achieve real-time monitoring by creating metric filters and alarms based on specific log patterns. With these capabilities, CloudWatch Logs becomes an essential tool for maintaining visibility into your AWS infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.